So how to set up Gemini as a default AI for Samsung Galaxy A56. Hey Google, hey Google. Then you can see it's a Google Assistant is open. Now if you want to set as Bixby, uh, Gemini, then open your Google browser. Make sure you are logged into with your Gmail account. Then go to setting, and under setting you can see the Google Assistant. Press on Google Assistants and scroll down. Then you can see the Google digital asset from Google. And now select Gemini. Press on switch. Now complete the process. Use Gemini. Now it's almost done. Now check another setting, go back, then sorry, you can see the voice mesh. Make sure your Hey Google is enabled. Now if you say Hey Google, your Gemini is enabled. Hey Google. See, that's it. Thank you, have a good day.